Whew. Looks deep right here. Like it's about 1.5 feet deep right there. What's what in the boondocks? Oh. I gotta check under my pants. I feel something crawling on me. Well, buddy. Yep, I knew it. I felt something. Both knees, above both knees. Oh, there's another one. Y'all mother truckers ain't biting on me. Hey. Nope. 4 of them. Yeah, but that was a bass I just missed. It's because something was crawling on my leg. Huh? Not me? That's why you got it real slow, because in front of these weeds it's 2 foot deep. A little steep over there, huh? Whatever you say. Once he hears my big blade vibrations. Yeah, you can see your lure way out there. If you can see it, you need to reel slower. So it goes deeper. So if you get a new pole, you could throw it twice as far. Your swim tail's hooked on your hook. Here, I got dry socks. I came prepared. Those big fish are way over there on the corner. It's a nice black one. Huh? Very pretty and thick. Oh, here, hold this. Just don't pull it, just hold it tight. Stop flopping back and forth. Very thick and long.
Nice one, sir.
Barely hooked on. Super long. Look how long it is. The tail's already getting beat up. See that?
Yeah, from flagging around.
From making the beds. I mean, it could be way more since it's longer.
Didn't seem as heavy. That other one was really fat.
Okay. 4.8. 413.
The same?
Nope. The other one was 410. This is 413.
This one's gotta be, look how big his gills and stuff are.
This one's a little bit bigger. Tad bit bigger. Oh, it's just long. It's a lot longer. And she gone. Yeah, that one wasn't as fat, but she was definitely longer.
I think when she's get fatter, I bet she's gonna weigh.
Yep. Well, I was talking farther down, like the point down there, but yeah. I'll find a way. Whew. Yep. Hang time. They like fighting, don't they? We'll bank them. Look, right in the top of the mouth. This one's got some battle wounds. Probably need to angle this GoPro down a little bit since I'm higher up. Maybe, I don't know. They're coming in to see what's going on with the splashes. Like, what's going on over here? Whew, 2 and 2 casts, that's nice. Can we? Might have to buy some more of this color, this big blade. That one hit like, I don't even think I started reeling yet and it was already on there. Let's see if I can find a way down over here. Should've. I don't mind getting a little wet. Yeah. There's really not a way down over there. There's a tiny spot here, but you gotta get your feet wet to get in. Is it worth it?
It's worth it.
It's probably 2 foot deep right there though. That's the only bad thing. I don't know. Let me see how deep it is. I mean, it's not super deep, but all right, well, here goes nothing. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. Whew. Cold water, baby. Yep, it's cold. Sure brought my waders over, for sure. Oh. Well, I better catch a fish over here. Better be worth it. getting all wet, cold. Ugh. Oh yeah, good cast. Whew. Gotta get farther out there. There we go. Shoot. There we go. I'm trying to get to this point out here. Is like a shallow spot that comes out. Oh gosh, that's cool. That I know. Oh shoot. That the fish love. She is. Maybe 1 pound. Nice looking bass though. Sure is pretty. Probably. Yep. It would taste good for sure in the grease pan. Oh! They're just so pretty looking. Oh. Yep, it was worth it to get wet. God, so pretty. Thank you for that. That one hit right at the bank. Must have followed me over from over by you. I feel like I could get farther over. Ugh. I feel like it's dry through these weeds. GoPro's about to die, but huh? I have other batteries in the car, but oh yeah, I think there's a path right here. Yep, Cal's cleared a path. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.